Guys, today I'm going to be giving you a fidget haul. The first thing I have is like this Squishmallow like pink cloud slime. And it low-key sometimes gets sticky. Next one is this eyeball. I love the eyeballs, like one of my favorites, but I just don't like the color. The next thing is this pickle. It's kind of hard, and I got it for my birthday from one of my volleyball friends. Next thing is this orange, like, slinky dog thing. So this is like, kind of like, this is my legitimate favorite. I have so many favorites, but this is like so cute. Like you can stand it up and use it for decor. But I don't really want to put it up for decor because it belongs in here. Next thing is this Stitch slime. It's so like glossy and like nice. You have to close the lid on tight or it will leak everywhere. Next thing I have is this like pink slime. I love the texture and I love the color. And then I have the same brand of like a confetti birthday cake one. For the same as that one, I love the texture and I love the little sprinkles. Next thing I have is the blue Mona Lisa slime by me. I got it for Easter yesterday and I made it and it was actually really cool and like it was fun. And then the next thing I have is this like fruit roll-up thing. So I got this at Five Below and it's like, it's alright. I don't know, it's like, I just like kind of throw it around in my hand or like that. I don't really know what to do with it. And then this slime was clear and it was like a peachy color, but I added shape like blue gel shaving cream and it made it soft. It made it softer and not rippable and blue and like fluffy, but it feels way better. So I had to mark this not clear, not crystal clear, not aloha like sunshine, and then not coconut scented because it's, I don't know, scented. It's just a scent. I don't know. It's hard to explain. Next thing I got is this like Sweet Shop Tabba Squishy. So it's actually really nice, but I don't like the things in the middle. And then I kind of wish it was bigger, but I love it. The last thing I have is this bear. I just love this one. But bye guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Jesus loves you.